If you need to keep a record of your conversations for legal or official matters, archiving your SMS is essential. In this video, we'll show you 5 easy and reliable ways to transfer text messages from your Redmi to a computer so you can access and organize them with ease. Way 1. Transfer text messages from Redmi to computer via MobiKin program. Flexible. Transferring important SMS from a Redmi phone to a computer becomes effortless with MobiKin Assistant for Android, Windows, and Mac. How to import SMS from Android to PC with MobiKin Assistant for Android. Step 1. Once you have downloaded and installed the program on your computer, open it, and the initial interface will be displayed. Step 2. Subsequently, connect your Redmi device to the computer using a USB cable. Adhere to the on-screen instructions to ensure that the software successfully recognizes your connected Redmi. Once it is detected, a brief overview of your phone will appear on the screen. Step 3. In the left panel, select the SMS option. The software will commence a scan of the messages on your mobile and will provide a detailed list of all messages in the right panel. You can then easily read all your Redmi messages directly within the program. Step 4. To extract particular messages from your phone, simply choose the SMS you wish to export and click Export in the top menu. This action will allow you to transfer the selected SMS from your Redmi device to your computer. Way 2. Copy text messages from Redmi to PC via Mi Cloud or local backup. Option 1. Using Mi Cloud. On your Redmi, go to Settings, Mi Account, Xiaomi Cloud, and enable SMS Sync. Log into i.me.com on your PC to view your messages, but export is not supported. Way 3. Export SMS from Redmi to computer using Microsoft Phone Link. Enable Phone Link on your Redmi Settings app's Phone Link. Scan the QR code in the Phone Link app on your PC. Grant permissions and view messages. Copy to a document or use screenshots. Third-party apps for better organization. Way 4. Transfer text messages from Redmi to PC via Google Messages for Web. Open Google Messages on your Redmi. Select Messages for Web. Scan the QR code on your PC. Copy SMS to a document, then sign out to disconnect. Way 5. Copy text messages from Redmi phone to computer via Google Backup. On your Redmi, enable Messages Sync in Settings Accounts Google. On your PC, visit HTS, Takeout, Google.com, sign in, select SMS, and export. Download the file once ready.